Hi parents, welcome to Miss Mila's Parenting Tips. Today we are going to discuss on how to prepare our children for handwriting success. Alright, without having to wait any longer, we will begin our discussion. Number 1 is self-help activities. What is it? Okay, in these activities, you can ask your children to use a zipper, buttoning their clothes, or tying a shoes. Number 2, gluing. You can also use glue for thicker objects like gluing dried beans to paper and making the outline of a shape or an animal and ask them to paste it with glue. Number 4, stacking blocks. You can ask your child to build something from blocks. This activity is good for their eye and hand coordination. Number 4, playing puzzle. Puzzles are great for cognitive development. In general, because children are manipulating objects, practicing problem solving, learning to recognize shapes, and of course, it's also great fine motor play. Number 5 is fun with food. The actions of using a spoon or fork correctly is a great fine motor skills. So when eating meals, show your child how you hold the utensil and then place their fingers in the right position. Number 6, playing with dough. Oh, it's so fun! Rolling dough with both hands is good for coordination as well as exercising the hand and wrist muscle. Number 7 is sorting activities. Oh, sorting activities are great for recognizing shapes, colors, textures, and development of fine motor skills. Your kids can sort candy or buttons or anything else that you can find at your home. Number 8, anything that pinches. Get some clothespins and have your child to pick a small objects and put them into a bowls or a cups. Make sure you choose stuff to start that is easier to pick up, like cotton balls or pieces of fabrics. Then move to smaller stuff like picking up dry beans. Number 9, lacing boards, toys, or cards. You can also very easy make or buy lacing cards. Just trace and cut out cardboard shapes or animals. Then use a hole puncher to make a bunch of holes around the edges. Then have your child use yarn to go up and down through the holes until the entire edge is laced. Number 10, stickers. Oh, I don't know any little kid that doesn't like stickers. The action of taking stickers off their backing and placing them on something else is great practice with pincher fingers. And the last one is sponge. What can we do with this? Set up two bowls, one filled with water and the other bowl empty. And you can ask your child to transfer the water using a sponge. Alright, so this is all. Let's have fun with your children. I hope this can help your child to build their fine motor skills. Hope to see you again in another parenting tips.